So now we're going to go in with the 130, which is a cool light grey. So I'm looking for where my cool highlights are. Now this isn't so much a glaze, I'm more moving in sweeping lines for this. I'm heading over those areas where we put down the lovely light blue, that 140, so you could add a bit more of that in if you need it, and I might add a little bit more in as I go. Just going to lighten up some of the tips which are catching the light, and it will also soften them. You can have real fun with something like a poppy. You can really change the shape from what it is in the photo if you want. You could really exaggerate some of the way that the petals are curving. Okay, so all of that work, or that highlight work, was just done with the 230. You can see it has a really dramatic effect because we've put so much pastel down underneath. We've got warms, we've got cools, we've got lights, we've got midtones, we've got darks. And so all of those working together, we've now ended up with a really dynamic looking poppy. So the last step is not an official step, you don't have to do it, but I'm going to show you something that I would do in the studio to finish off the petals, and then we'll pop the stem in and then it will be done.